Haduk palat iwe pun kendai pu arlak metrik ton dewiong balati beain la labdien na ki South Liki district ke jela kat kum ke jing penlong ya ke jing jurip ke banasun ya ke balale lyngba ki drone bar ke company jurip ke Garuda. Ya ke nela penpau da justice retired BP kataki ubakli ya ke komiti hadien bala penyat ya ke jingalang ha ke arpusan terik leber. Haba keren syakilat pathai kubor ukataki ulaong ya ka kaipot jong ke jingjurep ke banasun bala penlong daka Garuda la dep ban IT bat katkum ke kaipot haki South Liki district East Giant Hills Southwest Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills bat South Garo Hills la syamba palat iwe pon kendai pu arlak metrik ton udewyong udei ubompat syim jingken ngala petha ya ki ban ay ya ki katu kat ne ki jing pensyai ya ka banga khmi lenti ban yo menta la ne la syai ka sngi. Kumta kat kum ke jing penpau ka jongki lai na udewyong bala dep syim jingken ki dang don bun udewyong ubad don hapok ka 10 kilometer pelun. Kumta ru hakani ke jing lang menta ka sngi ngal kerpat ya ki deputy commissioner bat ya ki superintendent of police jongki district bat ya ki tenat badai khmi bakin pet ngor bha halor ke jing yo ya udewyong lai na udewyong ba iwe pon khandai pu arlak ton ulaong. Kataki ula benrap da ka boong haba pensyong nong rim lyngba kani ka kaipot jong ka jing jurem ngan sa IT ka kaipot jonga sya ka yingka syari Meghalaya High Court bat ngan sa penpau halor ka ka jing sngo jonga halor kani ka kaipot ya ka bangamla ban ya sambat phi menta tat hadin bangala IT ka kaipot bat tat lada ka High Court kan pelai pai ba. Kumta ke jing shisha kadang sa ba ka kaipot na ka jing jurip bala penlong da ka Garuda kilalap sa palat iwe pon khandai pu arlak metrik ton udewyong ha ki South Liki district ke jela Meghalaya. Ha ba keli ukataki ulaong uno udewyong bala lap lait na ki jaka bu ne dipon jong ka CIL ki long ki babian. Hadin baka NGT kalakhang bat dia ka balapan scam da ka yingka syari Supreme Court ka balaong bakam day bandon syu ka jingti dewyong thliu khnai rat hole mining ka bamut ka day ka kamti bean light no ladala sya ya ka jingti dewyong hapok ka kendon ka MMDR Act. Nalor ka tau la pentip ru da ka baong layat hu hanga ha ka jingalang menta ka sngi bala dep ban aya ka prospective license bat sasangut kila dep yo ka balong baro prangut bat na kini ki prangut laingut kila dep yo ya ka environmental clearance bat sangut kidang yo ya ka environmental clearance. Na padang kini ki laingut ki bala yo ya ka environmental clearance kila sedang ya ka jingti dewyong.
Today's proceeding rather was for having the discussion on the various steps taken for implementation of NGT's order as well as the Supreme Court order and also various orders passed by the Honorable High Court because High Court has also passed certain orders from time to time. I had two meetings. Yesterday also I had a meeting with Garuda people who were entrusted with the job of conducting the aerial survey. And that aerial survey was in respect of around 730 or 40 square kilometer. And area identified was on the basis of the coordinates of the inventoried coal earlier found within 1 kilometer radius, therefore, though the 4 districts that survey was conducted, the area-wise, the square meter in terms of square kilometer is a huge area in every district. But we concentrated only around little over 700 square kilometer. And that report has been submitted. That report says that was the whole purpose was to find out whether there was any other coal other than the inventoried coal which has already been shifted to the CIL designated depot and seized under the MMDR Act. According to the report, in 4 districts, that is East Giant, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills district, they found little over 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal other than the inventoried coal. I have asked them to furnish certain clarification, which I am expecting today or by tomorrow. I've asked them to furnish me those clarification by today. I hope that by the end of the day I will get it. So therefore, according to them, other than inventoried coal, there are more coal available within 1 kilometer. So therefore, in today's discussion, I have requested the Deputy Commissioners and Superintendent of Police of the concerned district as well as all concerned departments to be more vigilant about the availability of coal other than this 1.92 lakh metric ton coal. Based on this report, survey report, I will submit my report to the Honorable High Court. What would be my impression on this report? Because I have to give my impression on this report, which I cannot share with you right now unless I submit the report and unless the High Court make it public. So fact remains that the survey report conducted by Garoda, they found additional 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal in 4 districts in the state of Meghalaya.
So, logically, it means that there was illegal extraction of coal. Logically.
Any coal found other than in CIL designated depot is illegal. Any coal. After the ban was imposed by the NGT, which has been confirmed by the Supreme Court, Supreme Court has said that there cannot be rat hole mining, means illegal mining, unless the mining is allowed under the provisions of MMDR Act. Where I have been told today in today's proceeding that 4 prospective licenses have already been issued. Another 4 has also been granted, total 8. Out of 8, in respect of 3, environmental clearance has been granted. The 5 are yet to get the environmental clearance. And out of those 3 environmental clearance granted projects, 1 has started their operation. That's what I have been informed today. Why should I ask the government to clarify? Because I am here because of the High Court, as per the High Court's order. These surveys, everything is being conducted because of the direction issued by me from time to time. And based on these reports, I will scrutinize those reports. I will have my own interpretation of this report and inform the High Court. And High Court definitely will take appropriate action thereafter. But I am reiterating, any coal other than the coal found available in the CIL designated depots is illegally mined coal. And action has to be taken under the MMDR Act, means FIRs have to be registered, coal has to be seized, the entire coal has to be put to auction, subject to the permission to be granted by the respective courts of law, and the entire sale proceed will go to the state exchequer. Not a single funding will go to the coal miners. Premature to comment because I am yet to make my mind what recommendation I will make. And based on the recommendation, as soon as it is made public, you will definitely get the report if the High Court makes it public. And based on that, we will discuss subsequently.
So when did we expect you'll be submitting this report?
Because 28th is the next date fixed by the High Court, 28th of April. Before 3-4 days before, at least I will submit the report. My mandate is not to look into the scientific mining aspect because my mandate is to oversee the implementation of NGT's direction issued in case number 110 of 92, if I am not wrong, 92. And the subsequent Supreme Court judgment in the subsequent proceeding, as well as the various orders passed by the Honorable High Court. I cannot comment anything on the scientific mining activities. That is, if there are violation, mining authorities are there. The authority who has granted the prospective license, the authority who has granted the permits under the MMDR Act. There are enough authorities under the MMDR Act till the stage of closure of mines to take action if those are violated. That audit is still going on, and in one ferroalloy plant, some assessment of compensation has also been done, but they have been given an opportunity to react to that. No final decision has been taken, and they have been given the date. The last date for submission of the explanation is 21st of April. After that, the department and as well as the committee will take a final call and proceed to recover whatever amount is found to be due.